नमस्कार वेलकम टू बनिता दीप्ति एक्सप्लोर्स। आज आपण माने एही वीडियो रे पाखापाखी 1000 इंग्लिश वर्ड रो अपोजिट वर्ड विषय जानिबा को पाइबे, जहा के विभिन्न प्रकार परीक्षा रे आपण मानकु सहाय्य करिवो। समय नष्ट न करी वीडियोटी आरंभ करूछि। फर्स्ट वर्ड अलिव, डेड, एबव, बिलो, ऑल, नॉन। Absent, present, allow, forbid, accident, intent, already, not yet, achieve, fail, always, never, add, subtract, adjacent, distant, ancient, modern, admit, reject, ancestor, descendant, adore, hate, agree, refuse, afraid, confident, amateur, professional, amuse, bore, after, before, attract, repel, awkward, graceful, advance, retreat, alert, asleep, arrogant, humble, alone, together, ancient, modern, argue, agree, angel, devil, animal, human, arrogant, humble, agree, disagree, able, unable, ability, inability, appear, disappear, attentive, inattentive, acquire, loss, asleep, awake, annoy, satisfy, answer, question, antonym, synonym, apart, together, arrest, free, attractive, repulsive, arrival, departure, arrive, depart, artificial, natural, ascent, descent, ask, answer, attack, defense, autumn, spring, awful, nice, buy, sell, busy, idle, bottom, top, boy, girl, brief, long, back, in front of, bare, covered, backward, forward, beautiful, ugly, bad, good, bent, straight, before, after, big, little, boundless, limited, bright, dull, bitter, sweet, brave, cowardly, birth, death, break, fix or repair, black, white, blunt, sharp, broad, narrow, body, soul, bold, timid, enough, insufficient, combine, separate, capture, release, careful, careless, command, obey, construction, destruction, complex, simple, conceal, reveal, catch, miss, cause, effect, compliment, insult, constant, variable, cry, laugh, continue, interrupt, curse, bless, cool, warm, copy, original, countrymen, foreigner, crazy, sane, ceiling, floor, cautious, careless, cruel, kind, certainly, probably, center, edge. Correct, wrong, clever, stupid, change, remain, close, open, cheap, expensive, child, adult, cloudy, clear, chilly, warm, cold, hot, clean, dirty, cold, heat, compliment, insult, cowardly, brave, dangerous, safe, dark, light, daughter, son, dawn, dusk, dormant, active, day, night, dead, alive, demoralize, encourage, death, birth, dazzling, dull, damage, improve, deny, admit, desperate, hopeful, empty, full, end, beginning, elementary, advanced, enemy, friend, enjoy, hate, entrance, exit, equal, different, destroy, create, difficult, easy, dim, bright, divide, unite, doubt, trust, drunk, sober, dull, sharp, dumb, smart, dangerous, safe, different, alike, discover, hide, distant, near, division, unity, diverse, marry, domestic, foreign, down, up, downstairs, upstairs, drama, comedy, dry, humid, early, late, even, odd, excited, calm, exciting, boring, exclude, include, exit, entrance, east, west, easy, difficult, emigrate, immigrate, empty, full, evening, morning, everybody, nobody, everything, nothing, exactly, approximately, expensive, cheap, export, import, exposure, shelter, extreme, moderate, dull, interesting, appreciate, depreciate, failure, success, fail, success, false, true, far, near, fear, courage, esteem, disrespect, eccentric, ordinary, entirely, partially, find, loss, finish, begin, finish, start, fast, final, fix, break, flat, hilly, friend, foe or enemy, floor, ceiling, follow, lead, forbid, allow, foreign, domestic, foreigner, native, earn, payout, form, destroy, fortune, bad luck, fresh, old or stale, female, male, famous, unknown, few, many, fiction, fact, forgive, blame, fat, slim, free, restricted, funny, sad, full, empty, future, past, for, against, freeze, melt, forget, remember, forward, backward, general, particular, generous, mean, hard, easy, gentle, violent, gentleman, lady, giant, tiny, grown up, child, girl, boy, give, take, go, come, guest, host, guilty, innocent, harvest, plant, health, disease, healthy, ill, heat, cold, heaven, hell, heavy, light, here, there, high, low, host, guest, hit, miss, huge, tiny, human, animal, husband, wife, humane, cruel, humid, dry, high, deep, high, low, horizontal, vertical, hungry, thirsty, ignore, notice, ill, healthy, innocent, guilty, inside, outside, intelligent, silly, intentional, accidental, junior, senior, kind, cruel, eternal, transcend, lack, abundance, landing, take off, land, water, large, small, last, fast, luminous, dark, late, early, laugh, cry, lazy, active, learn, teach, live, arrive, loser, winner, loud, quiet, loss, win, long, short, love, hate, lovely, terrible, less, more, lend, borrow, left, right, liberty, dependence, liquid, solid, life, death, lazy, active, lie, stand, let, forbid, like, dislike or hate, little, big or much, live, die, lower, raise or higher, man, woman, morning, evening, mute, voluble, mountain, valley, many, few, marry, diverse, master, servant, maximum, minimum, mean, generous, mend, break, mess, order, midnight, noon, minor, major, mighty, tiny, miss, catch, moderate, extreme, monarchy, republic, moon, sun, more, less, narrow, broad, niece, nephew, nasty, nice, night, day, native, foreigner, natural, artificial, near, distant, negative, affirmative, numerator, denominator, nobody, everybody, noise, quiet, noon, midnight, none of, a lot of, normal, strange, north, south, nothing, everything, notice, ignore, now, then, numerous, few, never, always, occasionally, frequently, occupied, vacant, ominous, auspicious, odd, even, off, on, often, seldom, old, modern. Obese, thin or skinny. Opponent, supporter. Opposite, same. Order, mess. Ordinary, special. Other, same. Outside, inside. Outskirts, center. Over, under. Part, whole. Parents, children. Particular, general. Partial, total. Pass, fail. Past, future. Peace, far. Permit, forbid. Pleasant, awful. Polite, rude. Poor, rich. Poverty, wealth. Powerful, weak. Presence, absence. Present, past. Pretty, ugly. Private, public. Probably, certainly. Professional, amateur. Protect, attack. Pupil, teacher. Quick, slow. Quiet, loud. Rainy, sunny. Reduce, increase. Rear, front. Receive, send. Rise, sink. Regret, satisfaction. Remember, forget. Repair, damage. Reply, question. Republic, dictatorship. Rest, work. Rude, polite. Rural, urban. Rough, gentle. Rough, smooth. Right, left. Sad, happy. Solid, liquid. Sometimes, often. Some, many. Soul, body. Sour, sweet. South, north. Special, general. Spring, autumn. Stand, sit. Stop, start. Start, finish. Stranger, native. Strict, gentle. Strong, weak. Stupid, clever. Succeed, fail. Success, failure. Subtract, add. Sugar, salt. Summer, winter. Serious, superficial. Send, receive. Scarcity, abundance. Sin, virtue. Separate, connect. Serious, funny. Secure, insecure. Servant, master. Swift, slow. Set free, arrest. Shallow, deep. Sharp, blunt. Short, long. Suddenly, gradually. Shout, whisper. Short, open. Superior, inferior. Sick, healthy. Silent, noisy. Shiny, matte. Silly, intelligent. Simple, complicated. Single, married. Scanty, abundant. Sister, brother. Tragedy, comedy. Sit, stand. Selfish, selfless. Slim, fat. Scold, praise. Slow, fast. Solitary, sociable. Small, big. Scatter, assemble. Sunny, cloudy. Temporary, permanent. True, false. Tame, wild. Trust, suspect. Tender, tough. Ugliness, beauty. Unique, common or ordinary. Transparent, opaque. Ugly, beautiful. Upset, calm. Under, over. Tight, loose. Unite, divide. Understand, ignore. Tenant, owner. Unity, division. Up, down. Upstairs, downstairs. यूजफुल, यूजलेस, vacant, occupied, valley, mountain, vertical, horizontal, village, town, violent, gentle, visitor, host, voluntary, compulsory, vowel, consonant, war, peace, warm, cool, waste, save, wide, narrow, water, land, weak, powerful, wealth, poverty, wealthy, poor, wedding, diverse, well, ill, west, east, wet, dry, whisper, scream। आशा करुछि भिडियोटी आपण मानक निश्चय भल लगी। भल लगी लाइक बटन प्रेस करी सब्सक्राइब करनियंतु।